ngisendumbeni
ngisendumbeni namhlanje my munches and ngijabule kakhulu ngiyabona la gogo kuhle kakhulu ngiyabona nomunye umela eduze kwami nabanye like maybe if you can give me a little bit all these beautiful crafts here if you're allowed.
Yes.
If you're not allowed, I will respect that as well.
Okay. I think how it started, I thought it was just a dream. It started in Sekaya. I think mengisekhaya mina ngiyahlupha ngiyasithanda isintu ngoba ngikhule ekhaya ngiyagaya utshwala mina nginankinga yotshwala. Ngikhaya ekhaya ngaya amabele kule family nje strict ngalendlela yokuthi isintu yisoqala okwaziyo ukushiya lapha egate. So ekhaya bokukhona uma ekhuluma kube ngathi usemoyeni bese ethi kimi sisindise bomama usho kimi njengoba wasindisa inkosikazi eyayesabeka kakhulu kwaZulu ngimbuka ukuthi umkhulu akasakhulumi nami phela manje ukhuluma ngani akasakhulumi nami ngangingekho ngalezo enkathi. I've never done that. Ubani lo akhuluma ngaye aye mekabuye bese athi you are the she elephant. The she elephant of the Zululand, but you are a she elephant. Then she sang a song. She created a song. I mean, he created a song. Khona lapho ukuthi angiculeleke so wonke umuntu seyacula. It's like it was a ceremony on that day that was dedicated to who I was, that I was not even aware that I was at the time. Maybe I was aware, but I did not want to acknowledge what I knew. Then he went on to say, "Loke ngokushoyo bathi ngokukhumbuze." Because it's time. Uma uthi iya ethongeni emandaweni angeke athi ngiyala yabona kumele umuze ukuthi uyakhuluma ushona uyangena uthi ngisesebeni lomfula uthi ubonani athi ngibukile bese uthi buke lihlweni lolwandle ulwandle lineso lalo kusho ukuthi kumele usuke la in the surface la in the catchment and just go in the eye where you would see an opening a door ozokumele ungene kuyo ngaphakathi. Then kumele ayibone uma esondela kungenzeka ukuthi kunomunye omlandile because akavela ngene kumele ayibike ukuthi ngikhona ngusbanibani wakasbanibani ozalwa usbanibani. Physical, you're talking about the biological. Bona bayazi ngale because you have agreed and you have signed a contract nabo or ithesis yakho was saying mina ngizolenda ku family le na le.
Now listening to the video umkhulu umuthwa uyasho ukuthi unento oyithunyelwe. So now yonke lemisebenzi oyenzile bonke lobuhlo benzile uma ngikhuluma lamagama lawa ashiwo umkhulu ongasekho emhlabeni kuthini kwena? Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to another interesting episode of Munches and Thoughts. Your host, Chef Phatanani Mbatha.
Philisa isizwe mama wesizwe. Let our nation grow in development and in prosperity. It is not the weapons that a warrior holds in his hand that brings prosperity to a nation. It is the silent voices inside the breasts of a mother. Umama wesizwe. Khala mama usicebele emahlozini ukuthi le inkulumo engiyibusayo ungazilahli wena mveli nqangi ungazilahli wena somkhaya.
You're already recording?
Yes.
That was so fast. But anyway, my munchies, let me just tell them about our drink of choice. This season 19, darlings, we'll be having a crafted ginger beer. And you know what's interesting about this ginger beer? We all know that not all ginger beers are created equally. But this one is authentic, traditionally brewed the way my grandmother used to make it, darlings. And It's aged well in the fridge. And of course, I'm so sorry, my love, but you're gonna have yourself a ginger beer, and we just gonna do it. So Zukanye, please make sure you put the other ones in the fridge, and we can run the show, darlings.
I love the fact that it's traditionally brewed.
Yeah.
I love that fact.
And
when you say traditional, to me, it becomes an indigenous African, because now you make me to own it as an African child.
Wow.
That, if it has been brewed by Ogogo.
Ogogo, darling.
Is what we ekhaya mokunomsebenzi ehamera is number 1. That's ginger beer.
Oh wow, and senda wena bogogo ke sithando sami namhlanje ke so nje livumile. Okay, darling. Hello, welcome to another interesting episode of Munchies and Thoughts. My name is Patanani. I am your chef, the chef of the nation, darling. The one that cooks content and save it to people's hearts. So, Bon.
So, when you say chef, I thought, sizodla-ke namhlanje, though istofa sikho la ayithola ukuthi content ngiyaphila kunjani
ungahamba uyobasa or sicele besibasele masuka la sihambe nje siyopheka maybe sipheke umqombothi
nje akunankinga umdokwe ngicabanga ukuthi umdoko uwo ngoba ikhona incwancwa ihlala ikhona ihlala ikhona.
Oh my goodness, I'm looking forward to cook umdogo nogogo uma siqeda lana. But anyway, ngizocela uzazise ukuthi ungubani, ubuyaphi, udume ngani. You can put your ginger beer here, I'm gonna drink it later.
Ngiyabonga.
Yeah.
Ngiphathele.
Yes, ngikubambele.
Okay.
Please.
Ngiyabonga mkhulu. Ngithi thokoza kubalaleli, thokozani kini nonke enibukele izihlwele endaweni eziningi ngokwahlukahlukana. Igama lami ngingufihliwe uShila kaMbele. I'm well known as Ugonondo Shila Mbele. Ngiwumngoma. I have been umngoma for many years. I'm also a Sanusi. Ngisangoma ngiyapractice abaningi bayangazi. I'm also known as the chairperson of the Interim Traditional Head Practitioners Council of South Africa. Ngibonge kulabo ababonile ukuthi kumele ngibe lapho. Kodwa nje ngingumngoma angifuni ukwanda because ngikuyikhundleni ezahlukahlukene in the country. So I'm not someone that is not known. I'm also serving at SANAC. And I'm also a community worker, I would say so, and I'm also an interfaith member of the Freedom Park. Yeah, kuningi
wow. Ngizwa mawuthi uyisanusi. Sinazi izanusi abantu besifazane okanye izanusi abantu besilisa.
Umbuzo kahle ke loyo, ubuze kahle.
Sisendumeni my manje ngiyajuluka kodwa ngizolibeka isizwe lika-mind. Yes.
Ubuze kahle gogo ukuthi cha sinazo ubunusi okuba isanusi, it's not gender based because uzalwa unjalo. Kusho ukuthi uma uwumnusi abantwana bayizanusi bebancane. Umntwana uthe vele ekhula ebe yisanusi kodwa ningamnaki ngoba uyanitshela ukuthi irrespective whether uwumfana noma uyintombazana. So in the space esikuso, especially in an African space, African spirituality, gender, we are not conforming into it. So mbani nobani angaba yisanusi kuya ngokuthi isiphiwo sakho abakini abakuphile bakuphe ezingeni elingakanani oyini okubonayo ngoba uma uyisanusi phela uyabona hayi ukuthi ubona abafana kuphela. Mantombazana yabona kakhulu nabafana bayabona kakhulu kodwa abanye ke ukhula ke sozobe mdala uyifihla lento ungafuni ukuyikhuluma ukuthi kunezinto engikhuluma nazo, kunezinto engizibonayo, kunezinto imibono la ngiya khona la ngifinyelela khona njenge isanuse. Kodwa in this space where I am inama category amaningi ahlukene, abanye bayibiza kwezinye inhlobo na kwezinye inkulumo na kwezinye inhlanga nabo banako. So kokuningi kithi mina ngiqale nje ngaba umngoma, but I think before ngibe umngoma ngibe ugo because ngiyabona imimoya kuqale kuko ukuthi ngiqale ngibone ngoba kumele ubone ukhulume uzizwe uye ukwazi ukuhamba ngemimoya hayi ngomzimba, ukwazi ukubona ukuthi ingqondo yakho na ngibuka ngamehlo wedlozi noma ngibuka ngamehlo wemimoya. Ngiyakwazi ukusakha isithombe ngihambe ngiye la emazweni ngiyofike ngibe nabo ngibone kodwa ngibe ngila ngibone ngale ukuthi kwenzakalani. So uma uya ngapha kwesinye isikhathi kunzima nokuthi uyi-interprete lento uyibonile. Ungahlala la uthi ngilele mhlambe bese kufika ukuthi asambe Lokho kuyafika abaningi bayandiza ukuthi siyandiza mkhulu abaningi banalo lekhono lokuthi baphume emzimbeni wabo bandize bahambe baye kwenye indawo. Kusho nje hayi ukuthi bandize physically ngokomoya. Ulele kodwa bese kuba nokuthi ngiyawushiya lo moya. Ngiyawushiya lo mzimba ngihambe lethe ngiyezweni or eLondon ngiyakuphi ngiyobona bese kuthi ekseni uma kusa uyazi ukuthi kuzokwenzakalani bokwenzakalani ngale ubonile uyazi ukuthi bani ozothini mokwenze njani. I'm not sure ukuthi that is meant ukuthi we need to interfere nemvelo the way ingakhona or it's just for us to know. I don't know, but what I know is that sometimes you can interfere with those system ukhona ukuvika la uvika khona kokunye you just leave it as it is ukuthi
uyazi into engiyithandayo uqeda ukisho and ngiyacabanga ukuthi nama-munchies emakhaya azokujabulela ukuzwa into enjena uma ukuthi siyandiza kodwa asindizi ngemzimba kuphuma umoya undize or uhambe lapho okumele uye khona because I think most people they think bethi abantu bayandiza fani like uma umthakathi bazobiza umshayeli. I don't think ukuthi usukundiza physically kusuke kuumoya.
Yeah, ifana nokuthi if you get in a space of meditation for those that meditate because it's a space where you move out of the space that you are in at the moment and go. Let's say I'm saying to you, go and meet your ancestors around the fire, you know, ehlathini. Ihlatha likho la ngikhona njengamanje. But uyayakha lento engqondweni and you describe ukuthi lehlathi engihamba kulo linjani, ihlahla nani ngibonani kukhonani. Obani labe ngiyohlangana nange seqhamuka usibanibani uthi kimi bese uyakusho ke ngisilalela if ufuna ukuthi silalela ekhaya senze njalo ukuthi umuntu if you want to meditate idlozi livele you just get into that space of going ukuphi ubani othini uthi ufunani kuwe then uyazisholo lokho bese ke kuba ne system ukuthi akabuye back umbuyiso umkhusele ukuthi kube safe ukubuya and then you come back alive ukuthi bengihambile kodwa ngihambile ngihleli ngina. So it's that meditative state of making you to be calm but be able to meet other spirits as a spirit being in living in this body.
So basically ezinye izinto ziyenzakala kodwa azenzakali physically umoya.
Because remember we are all spirits. But in this body that we are living in and trying to survive like physically, but more than anything else, we come first as spirits, then we choose bodies. It's a choice yokuthi choose bapha abazali which family ozovela kuyo. So it becomes a choice. Then when you start your mother saying ngiyakuzwa kuyanyakaza la isiswini, it's when now you got into a kule vessel lezokuletha eka mama okuyisibeletho ozovela kuso. You know, so uqale uze as a spirit but you chose ukuthi ngifuna labaya ngifuna la with a reason and a purpose okumele ngiyilethe noma ngizoyilungisa noma ngiya reincarnate kule family noma mhlambe angisiyo wale family kodwa ngizovela kule because kukhona okumele ngibasize ngako nala ngiyakhona. I don't solely belong to this family. The body does biologically but the spirit does not belong to that family.
Wow. My munchies, I hope you are learning and you are listening because ukulalela kukave kubalekile because masilalela siyafunda. As I always say, take what works for you, run with it. If ungakusebenzeli iyekele. Uyichazile ukuthi ungubani. Of course, ndiyangazi ngikhuluma kakhulu and sesiqale nje indaba, sayiqala. Ugogo rumkhulu.
Physically, biologically I'm a woman ngugogo, but amathongo omkhulu.
Okay, so
avelile
azilethile omkhulu. So ubizwa ngomkhulu.
But igogo because ngithwase isingoni nesindawo. So we just say thokoza gogo, ugogo, but ngugobela because ngigobela abanye abantwana.
Okay.
Yeah.
So ngakubiza gogo rumkhulu because ngiyazi ngiyamixa sometimes.
It's okay.
So ngifuna ukuthi ungabuthi hayi bowaye sengibiza ngifuna ukuthi ngicele ukuthi ngikwazi ukuthi hayi kuzokwenzakala ngisithole sengithi gogo or ngithi mkhulu. Okay, gogo bengilalele enye beautiful video la ukhuluma khona with the late Credo Mutwa, right?
She-elephant of Zululand. Sure. This is what we should see you as and the king, the father of your children. Yes. You are the sovereigns that crossed the sea long before white men knew that the Atlantic Ocean and the Indian Ocean could be crossed by boats from Africa and back again.
Yeah, what a beautiful conversation you had with Isanusi. Ngizwe laphana uSanusi umakethi wena you are a she-elephant. Can you please explain to me? And the Manchis, of course.
Thank you so much. I think what happened, it's 10 years ago. La kuqale khona mhlambe okunye ukuhlanya kwengqondo ngoba sesithi thina ababonayo asiphilanga kahle ngoba uphili njengabanye abantu. Uma engibiza umkhulu ukuthi angizombona sizobonana ngodaba kwakunolunye udaba ngaphambili, but
You can just talk.
on the days esasihleli siboni singifika esebona nani lokya angazi ufuna ngizophendula leka she-elephant ukuthi
uyazi ukuthi angifuni ukukulimita.
oh okay,
Remember, this is your story.
yeah,
Ufundisa mina, uxoxela mina nababukeli. Ngoba ngishile qala ukuthi la siyakhuluma, so uzokhuluma. Yathi ngizobuza imibuzo lapha nalapha, but ngicela nje ukuthi undlale.
Jobos. Ngicabanga ukuthi uma ngifika yabona uma ufika kumuntu oseke wakubona ngaphambili ungakamboni wena. Asithi mhlawumbe kakhulu izanusi ziyazana. Fana nabelaphi bendabuko bayazana, izangoma ziyazana. Isangoma sikuzuza lapha ukuthi isangoma lesisisayo. Uma sivuma sivuthiwe sikwazi ukuhleleka singabe ukuthi sicloudiwe emqondweni waso. Siyakwazi ukusho ukuthi hey ugogo lozayo uyisangoma. Engena noma engakamboni egate nathi baba kuzisangoma. O abantu abazoza omunye wabo owesilisa unobungoma. Beze ngalokho yiloko kuphela. Lokho so uyabona ukuthi uyisangoma lo ozayo. So uma ngifika umkhulu akusithatha ukuthi bokokuqala ngokwenyama sibonana. Kuxoxeke sanibona sibingelele nogogo ukhona umndeni ukhona kuhlaleke ngizibike ngubani ngihamba nabo. Ngubani ajabule kuhlalwe kuphuku kube yileyo ke. Hayi avela isuse nje lokya umkhulu athi bathi ngokubuze o bathi ngokubuze ukuthi uyazazi ukuthi ubani wena. Hayi angisazi ukuthi ngubani, mina ngizazi nje ukuthi and futhi ngaleso sikhathi ngangisanda ukubuya Ethiopia for ezinye izinto. I know ngiyazazi mkhulu ngushila wakambhele athi cha ngikubuze lo bathi ngibuze ukuthi uyasazi ukuthi ubani. Ngithi hayi ngingazi ke ukuthi ukuthini ebese yasho ke ukuthi hayi laba bathi ngokubuze ukuthi uyazazi ukuthi umntwana kaSimakade. Yabona bese ngithatha general ukuthi every child is born from a certain deity or ukuzala okuthile nobukhosi obuthile ngilandele ngingamphikisi. Athi ukuthi wena ngikutshele ukuthi umntwana kaSomganise. USomganise ukhokho kakhokho wakho. Somganise. Okay, iye. Abuye futhi athi uyinzalo kaSimakade. Nje uzalwa khona ngithi hayibo uthini umkhulu manje athi uyamazi uSimakade ngimbuke ukuthi ngathi iyajula ke phela sengiseklasini manje dukuduku so seklasini hawu uSimakade uyazi ngitshele ukuthi ubani uSimakade oh ngithi ngokuya ngami la ngikhula khona because ngikhule ebunyangeni ekhaya ngikhule ezangomeni ngikhula kubantu ababa prophet ngithi nami ngikhula ngayo lento ngoba ekhaya ngangihlupha ngikhule ngingaboni ngingezwa lokya ngiyagubha ekhaya from 5 years I've been lento ngiyobogogo sizovuka kunento ethile efihliwe ngikhiphe lokya naloke ngikhuphe ngithi ngokuya ngami ngokwazi ekhaya uSomganise o uSimakade ngimlinganisela ukuyela komveli inqangi kanjalo kuyithonga kodwa babethi kuyithonga elikhulu ele-Africa avume ke athi now uyabona umqondo wami so yagijima manje ukuthi uSimakade ithonga elikhulu le-Africa ithonga okuyilo limvula sango elavulela ukuthi abantu babe khona bazaleke.
Wow.
Oh, okay. Now so uyangibuza sengibuphike manje how did I end up in that space sokuba umntaka Simakade ngithi mhlambe uyayidlulisa into nje yabona bese kuyadlula hayi kuye. Hey kuningi umkhulu akushilo umkhulu kuningi. ngelinye nje ilanga avuke ngibuye kusho ukuthi ngangibuye studio. I'm also a recorded artist.
Oh, you're gonna sing for us, darlings,
No.
darlings. Kuzocula kuzobamnandi. Yes, go.
So ngangibuye studio, so mengifika bathi kade akulindile ngithi okay kwenze njani uyazula uyaphithizela ngifike Thokoza mkhulu hayi ngifike ngihlala esitulweni ahlale angahlala asuke eze angibuke eze asondele kimi sa umuntu ozoguqa bese ngiyaguqa nami ngifuna ukuya phansi ukuthi siguqelane ngoba uyisangoma letha lona ukuthi uyisanusi but umngoma futhi but umngoma omdala ongeke ukuthi ungamfuna ukumbona eguqile ngathi ngiyamphakamisa ukuthi makahlale esofeni la behleli khona sihleli so ebese ayaqala ke uyakhala ngokwesibhobo sakhe akhale ukuthi abantu abanjengathi abafuneki akusho kuningi uzokuzwa ku record angeke ngikwazi ukukusho nje but kuningi akushilo emva kwaloko ebese evumbula ihistory eyenzeka kwaZulu efaka ugogo ukhokho kakhokha mhlambe ukhokho wami uma ekhuluma kube ngathi usemoyeni bese ethi kimi sisindise bomama usho kimi njengoba wasindisa inkosikazi eyayesabeka kakhulu kwaZulu ngimbuke ukuthi umkhulu akasakhulumi nami phela manje ukhuluma ngani akasakhulumi nami ngangingekho ngalezo inkathi I've never done that ubani lo akhuluma ngaye aye mekabuye bese athi you are the she elephant of the Zululand, but you are a she elephant. Then she sang a song. She created a song. I mean, he created a song. Kona lapho ukuthi angiculeleke so wonke umuntu seyacula. It's like it was a ceremony on that day that was dedicated to who I was, that I was not even aware that I was at the time. Maybe I was aware, but I did not want to acknowledge what I knew. Then he went on to say, "Loke ngokushoyo bathi ngokukhumbuze." Because it's time. It is time and bathi ngikhumbuze lokho mele ukukwenze well it was up to me ukuthi uma ngifuna ukwenza ngizokwenza uma ngafuna ukwenza ngiyakwenza
ngiyamuzwa futhi lapho umkhulu ethi kuwena sengimdala bathi kumele uthathe la engishiya khona I hope I heard him very well but ukhuluma ukuthi sekamdala you need to take over like I'm asking myself questions. Uchaza ukuthini? Why you?
I think ngifana nawe. That was the same question that on that day. If you listen to the audio, I keep quiet. Yes. I kept quiet for a brief because I was thinking I thought le iyadlulela uyayidlulelisa komunye you know ingaphakathi emndenini one umndeni could have taken lo ngoba naye ubunusi uwathwasisa uanti uanti wakhe owayisanusi kuumuntu wesimami then kwasekulandela yena ke angazi ke ngaphakathi komndeni mhlambe kuke kwaba khona abanye ngaphambilini ngingazi ke kusizwe sonke ukuthi bakhona. But when esengiqonda manje ngalelo langa elinye ilanga futhi ngoba makwaba amalanga alandelana amaningi uma sengiqonda ethi kukhona umunye umuntu okuthiwa kumele aqhubekele nalento ayithathe kuthiwa mina sengimdala akusafanele ngikhulume yebo hayi sonke ngoba sikhona ke siyalinda sonke kwaze kwakuhle umkhulu sekhulile I think he was around 98 at the time menga process 97 98 or 2016 hey ngenhliziyo ebona ngokunganaki ukuthi hayi mhlambe khona asitshela kona asivulela kona vele umuntu umezodlulisa ngokwesintu kuye kudlulisa ukuthi ngiyadlulisa kuyothatha usibanibani you understand uselungele ukuthi akwenze lo yabona uma sethi wuwe umkhulu ngashaqeka ngalendlela ukuthi sengifika kanjani manje mina la ngifike kanjani wathi kuthiwa wuwe okumele uqhubekele ngalento ngathula mkhulu I think uThemeka yisho wangibuka ukuthi ngizophendula ngithini hayi ngambandaza angibandazi mina mkhulu angisabe angeke ngibe novalo kodwa ngalelo langa kokuqala empilweni yami ngambandaza ngangazazi indaba zami ukuthi ngimphendule ngithi kanjani kodwa okwafika kimi ngaleso sikhathi ngibona ukuthi angina way out wonke umuntu uthulile manje on that space ithi ngivalele gap ngiphendule ngathi kuye nje bengiphila ngathi Thokoza mkhulu uma ukuthi ogogo abalele omkhulu bonke amathongo nomveli enqangi bayafisa ukuthi ngikwenze lokho abathi ngikwenze mina amandla anginako ngizokwenza ngilandele lokho abathi ngiyiko naloko abathi ngizoba akumina engisho kanjalo kodwa kuloko kushoyo hayi anginako ukuthi ngizokubalekela uma ukuthi bathi ungitshele ngikwenhlonipho futhi ngangihlonipha ukuthi phela umkhulu umuntu ukuthi mekakhuluma into iyenzeka uma ethe konje kuzokwenzeka nawe sengihlangane nembila ezithutha phela manje ngizothini nako ngibukile sibukene ngathi ngagcina sengithi akulungile emkhulu kodwa ngaphakathi enhlizweni kwafika ukuthi wazi wangilaya umkhulu Nkosi yami wazi wangulala ngiphila ngempela ngizoyithini lo ngiyiqala ngithini ngihamba nabantu ngacela mkhulu ngaguca ngedolo ngathi nize ningaliphathi lento enizwile namhlanje nize ningayikhulumi angazi mhlambe kwakushila esaba ukuthi kuzothiwani because this was a flip of my life now ukuthi okay what do I need to do ngimbonile ngiyambuka ngulizwile usizi lakhe I know history yakhe would I be the same way njengaye what kwenzakalani kuyini lo
and ngiyamuzwa futhi umkhulu echaza ukuthi uzohlangana nomuntu wesifazane onenkinga yomlenze thizeni akungilandise lapho
yeah I think it was before azokusho lokho angitshela kona uthi kukhona mina na sibaningi futhi ngoba singabi babili ufika uthi ubaba wami wathi kushuthi kwaba nje nokuxoxa okuningi sixoxayo umkhulu waye very wisely politically as well so we're discussing other issues that for South Africa and outside South Africa and other world and looking at our ancestral and the histories buyakuyo painful one then he says ubaba wami wathi ngizohlangana nenkosikazi emhloshana enje enedolo elinje ka left uma ngihlangana naye wayengitshela ngangina 10 years uma ngihlangana naye kungenkathi sengizohamba mina then I'm looking at how okay ngimbuke ukuthi ukhuluma nani wathi ngikhuluma njengale dolo lakho lika left wayengiprepareile ukuthi sizohlangana ubhlungu balo lalibhlungu vele engangize ngilifasile kodwa ngingaliboni ngoba bengilifihlekile kodwa wakwazi ukulibona ukuthi kunenkinga enginayo babe emprepareile ngathi hawo usuyangihlola phela manje mkhulu ngicela sesingasayi kude ngoba ngiyabona ukuthi uzongivulela kunabantu balalele kuneyindaba mhlambe ngingafuni bazizwe udinga nje kubeza khona sekangi identifyile ngendlela ngi-identify I think he was making sure ukuthi uyang identifier ukuthi I'm not speaking to a wrong person I was prepared as a young person mengikhula because this happened when he was 10 ukuthi ngelinye ilanga uzohlangana naye and mohlangana naye that will be the time of your exit and when he asho njalo athi in 3 years time I will be leaving 3 years time that's 2016 I will be leaving and okay umkhulu makayisho into ukuthi will be leaving it will happen but give me now it says how do you do that ukusho kanjani kumuntu ukuthi you will be leaving what is it that I'm supposed to do now is it an issue ukuthi kumele ngistope noma kumele ngenze njani I'll be exiting this world and in 3 years time 4 months he exited this world and ngikutshela mkhulu ukuthi kuleyo 3 months it was an issue of bargaining ukuthi idlozile ngamthathi makahlale kungenzeki the way ajwayele ukuthi kwenzeka ngakhona that's Sheila that was speaking I did not want ngizange ngifise ukuthi lokho akwenza akukhulumile makube iqiniso mhlambe mina ngifisa ukuthi ngeke ungitshela ukuthi uzohamba after 3 years in 3 years time uzobe usungasekho and uma nginalo ikhono mhlambe kuyenzeka ukuthi ngikuvimbe kungihlulile kwaba yi 3 months 3 years 4 months kwasuyahamba and yeah that was very sad
so wena gogo wahlangana kanjani naye
2016 we had a conference at KZN SANEC because I also belong to South African National AIDS Council. At the time I was a member, a traditional health practitioner. So I was given a stall ukuthi si host because South Africa was hosting World AIDS World AIDS conference. I mean World conference HIV AIDS. I met different healers from all over the Walk of Life International. So there was one healer that came in our stall that was from Uganda. And umefika umkhulu Skacha then we discussed. I knew Umkhulu Skacha before 2016 because I also belonged to, there was an organization, it still is an organization in Africa that is called Prometra. So kune Prometra Uganda, there was Prometra South Africa, which I was a member of, you know. So Mrs. Bonana, siyakhumbulana ukuthi we have met in different conferences pursuing a fight ye traditional medicine over the years, you know, which we want to see ushintsho. So when he comes and I'm hosting, then he took that opportunity, which I would want to see Umkhulu Mutwa. Yeah, but I don't know ukuthi kuphi. I just want to think on how ukuthi ngihlangane naye. Wasuthi but there's someone that I know o ngang director ukuthi kuphi. Ngathi okay, give me the contact ngikhona ukumcheckela ukuthi kuphi. Then that person we can meet. Nangempela kanti uma unginikeza untombazana umuthwa umzukulu wakhe umuthwa. Then I had to ngiba arrange ke ukuthi bahlangane and because bekane interest ukuzala emsamo as well ukuzobheka ezinye izinto yabona njengabelaphi mosezweni lelinye uya emisamo yabanye. So that's how we met. Then we came here, we spoke, we then developed a relationship no gogo lo kamuthwa. But not a very close relationship, just a relationship. Uzila umkhulu ba uzofikela kubo bazomletha la, and that was it. Not knowing ukuthi umkhulu i-catalyst yakhe iyami nomkhulu ukuthi sihlangane. You know, you will never know how the world works.
Like that's why ngikubuza, because uma ngilalela i-video like ngiyezwa man ngathi niyazana kudala nahlangana, but now take me back uma uthi izinto zakamoya akusizeza noma ngabubani.
They're not time bound.
Yeah. Uyayibona. And kungenzakala noma bekunini and uthola ukuthi mara kodwa nimithe ngesinye isikhathi kodwa kudala nazana kudala nikhuluma and kuningi ngokomoya like singawudlalela umoya.
Ngokomoya kuningi mkhulu, we could have met or decided on the other life ukuthi mesifika la sizohlangana, and uma sihlangana sizohlangana sihamba, we meet and sihlukane simitane sihlukane. That's what spirit life is. Okunye uthola ukuthi sivumelene ukuthi uma ufika ngala sizohlangana, but uma sihlangana this is what is going to happen, you know. Kodwa uma sofika la physically usukhohliwe.
Ngiyamuzwa umkhulu umuthwa uma yethi uSimakade ithonga or idlozi elikhulu ivula amasango, something like that. Can you please educate me? Maybe ngimzwile kodwa ngangamzwele kudeni, but manje ngisenhlanhleni ngoba ngihlezi nawe la. Ngicela ukuthi kungichazele kahle. Maybe ukuchaza nokuthi kahle kahle idlozi yini. Ngiwenza lama interviews maningi. Ngikhulumile ngedlozi kodwa ke phela it's not about that, it's about me and you right now. Yes.
uSimakade ngizokhuluma ngaye ngokuzwa komkhulu ngasekhaya ukuthi uSimakade uma bethi idlozi imvula amasango, iAfrica inamathongo inamadlozi sinobuningi. There's a lot of hierarchies in South Africa, I mean in Africa as a whole, not only in South Africa, but because of mhlambe colonization and life esiphilayo, and thina as South African we kakhulu sicoloniziwe in a sense that nezinto ezazenziwa bokhokho eziningi zahamba ziyakhohleka. Kwase kuvela sokuqhutshwa inkolo lezi zinye. So we are only given one person ukuthi if you identify kumele identify mhlambe ngelanguage ethile, that is the only way uhlangana ne-creator, which creators are different. There's mama in the creation of African spirit ukwakheka nje komuntu. Ukhona umama, ukhona ubaba, zikhona ingane, kuyahlukahlukene amathongo nawo. Uyizwa leyo nto uma siphahla thina, ukuphahla uma sikhuluma, uma uphahla kusho uma ngibabizile ngoba ukuphahla ngiphahlekile okwamanje, ngiphahleke la ngiphahlekile nala, kodwa uma ngikhuluma baningi abala njengoba sikhuluma. So la ngiqala khona mhlambe ngiyoqala ngithi ngibiza umveli inqangi owavela waba inqangi wangaba khona physically. Uma ngiphahla ngithi ngibiza wena mveli inqangi khokho wokhokho omkhulu, ngisho njalo. So angimbeki as in, I would have said in English, I pray to God, you know, and God unfortunately it's a God of it's a masculinity in that space. But la ngithi wena khokho, but when I raise Umvelinqangi akahambi yedwa, then I would say ngibiza kuwe nomkhubulwane kuwe nkosazana esezulwini wena mfazi omabela made onxilisa ngaphesheya komfula. It doesn't mean ukuthi izulu leli esitshelwa lona izulu elakhiwe, izulu as if it's a new phenomenon esibonayo. Izulu lethu, like if uthi sihamba thina sithi uya ngasemhlangeni la uyohamba khona ungene kokhokho. You know, and it is a circle that is unending. Inelingaphansi inelingaphezulu inamacala, so it's not ukuthi uma ngithi sengibheke ezulwini it's izulu because of kuumkhathi lephezulu, but there are layers ukuya ngaphezulu. But uma uya ngale futhi sithi uma ngibuka ngilibonile ilanga ngilibhekile, kodwa uma ngilibuka ngithi liye ilawozilahla konina, meaning langena kwamanye amathonga, but those are feminine energy. You know, feminine deities and so forth. La ngithi khona onomkhubulwane. Bese kuba naleli elithi usomnganise ukhokho amathongo. So I think in the space of hierarchy and in the space of the councils of amathongo ethongeni, they have nabo ngendlela bawabeka ngakhona ukuthi once kunomvelinqangi phambili kunomkhubulwane, mhlambeni ngaphansi kuno osima kade khona, kade phila. You know, usimakade, it depends ukuthi ufuna ukuthi usimakade is a feminine energy or it's a masculine energy. There was no type yokuthi umuntu wesima kanjani, uthi nje uyinzalo yakhe, uyisimo sakhe, uye. Meaning maybe when that happened, I happen to be in that space because I may be older than this body today. This is the body that I've borrowed to live. Kulomhlaba namhlanje. I could be 1,000 years old. You know, but I'm living today because I've reincarnated maybe 7 times or 6 times for whatever reason why I have to be here. Then uma kuthe khona bese kuyehla kanjalo kube ukuthi kunamathongo esiwabhekile azobhekana nezulu, azobhekana nomoya, azobhekana mhlambe nemvula, azobhekana mhlambe namalwandle ngaphezulu nangaphansi, azobhekana mhlambe nezilwane ngaphansi nangaphezulu, abhekane nemithi, amathongo wonke la ahlukahlukene.
Yes, I'm loving this.
Ahlukahlukene ukuthi uma ulibiza, uma ngithi mhlambe idlozi lasemanzini ngiya kwabasemanzini ngiyazi ukuthi amanzi awomama, it's more feminine energies. Ngiya komama ngiyokhuluma nabo. Amanono ngiyokhuluma namandawe. Uma ukhuluma namandawe uyazi ukuthi la ngikhuluma khona on the upper surface kuyehla kunempilo ephilekayo injulo ngaphansi. Yeah, bese kuthi lo sisi lo owamanzi ubuye abe umndeni wakhe ngoba amanzi wonke agcina solwandle. Meaning konke engokukhulumayo ngila phezulu komhlaba ngingakwazi kuba se KZN or Eastern Cape or Cape Town, but I can still speak here. And lo uzokuthatha yotshela usiso ngaphezulu, bakhona laba babheke ngaphezulu ukuthi, you know, ngelinye ilanguage bazothi umlenze oyematsha, abanye basho kanjalo uyematsha bese kuthiwa umami wata kwezinye indawo ngoba thina sasuswa manje kule ulwazi lo besinalo. Then bese kuthiwa laba banaba abanye imndeni yangaphandle, bese kuba nemigede ngaphansi futhi kuleyo mgede bathi siyemandaweni empemba la kuhleli khona amathongo.
Uqolo kancane gogo, lemgede ikuphi ngaphansi kwamanzi?
Ikhona ngaphansi kwamanzi.
Okay,
ikhona mongena kunamadwala kuyimpilo ephilayo because uma ubuka yabona uthina esithwasa isinzawo kakhulu. Uma uthi iya ethongeni emandaweni angeke athi ngiyala, yabona kumele umuze ukuthi uyakhuluma ushona uyangena uthi ngisesebeni lomfula uthi ubonani athi ngibukile bese uthi buke lihlweni lolwandle, ulwandle lineso lalo. Kusho ukuthi kumele usuke la in the surface la in the catchment and just go in the eye where you would see an opening a door ozokumele ungene kuyo ngaphakathi. Then kumele ayibone uma esondela kungenzeka ukuthi kunomunye omlandile because akavela ngene. Kumele ayibike ukuthi ngikhona ngusibanibani wakasibanibani ozalwa usibanibani. Physical, we're talking about the biological. Bona bayazi ngale because you have agreed and you have signed a contract nabo, or ithesis yakho was saying mina ngizolenda ku family le nale. They know you. Whether ubaba ngabaleka or umama ngabaleka, they know you. Whether now zazi sibongo sakho zazi, you just say this is who I am, the best knowledge the way ngizazi ngakhona.
Oh wow.
Then they usher you in, then you do whatever that you do, then you come back again. Ungena ngemigede yakhona.
Wow, you know, le knowledge lena ivele ingenze emotional. And uzokhumbula masiqala ngichazile ukuthi ngihlezi lana on behalf of all the Manchis around the world. I'm a scholar. I'm a scholar. And I'm learning every day. And I'm open to information because ulwazi alpheli. And nama Manchis ayazi. So lento oyichazayo njengamanje uma uchaza ukuthi noma ithuba uyabaleka or umama uyabaleka or awuzazi, as long as you introduce yourself ngalokho okwaziyo.
Because when you come, you're not coming alone. That one, whether uzalelwe esibhedlele or uzalelwe ekhaya or uzalelwe ehlathini or uzalelwe kuphi, you are not alone. You come with abantu abanye abakubizile. Abanye they could have asked you to come. Abanye would have said, no, go kulo yamuzi so that you become a solution in that family. Go so that uzoba isipho because umntwana ngeke abe khona in that family. But you may iroute yakho iya lapha la kumele uyokwenza. Wena you are not limited to Kampele or Kagatebe or kuphi. You are umntwana womhlaba. You know, no one would claim you ukuthi umntwana muphi. Labo bantwana bathola ngokuthi they are not able to stay at home most of the time. They are not, you can't ground them ukuthi ubaground ukuthi yeah kwasha kwacima amathongo laba beze nawo. Laba babalethile emhlabeni, they understand. But kuba namasiko ke okumele la ekhaya bamenzele umntwana. If the family have failed mhlambe to do so, laba abanye uthola umntwana bathi uthe fike esintwini besinganayo lento ukuthi iadoption, besazi ukuthi umntwana uma ngifika ngapha kagogo next door noma ngabe ngigula ngiphethwe yini angapha abangekho bazongenzela, and laba ngeke ba complain. Uma kudlula umuntu bathi nanga umntwana uyadlula simazi ukuthi wakubani, bamthatha bamfaka emsamba muphi igama bathi lo so akampele namhlanje usezokhulela la. Akukho umuntu onganaso isihlobo noma umuntu ongakho ukuthi ubelonga somewhere because of spirit. You are a spirit ukuthi muhamba. That is why I said abantwana abancane babantu abadala bawobogogo nabomkhulu. Umehamba ebuyela la eqhamuke khona kuza omdala. Yeah, understand. So uyazibuza ukuthi bese kwenzakalani ngempilo yakhe, ubani ozomashara ukuthi bese uyahamba abuyele lapha lapho yakhona. Na noma bangathi abantu asikwazi thina ukukwenza, but lamathongo lawa akadile lawa hamba nawo eze nawe nalawa kwamukele, even if ekhaya bangangakwamukela or whatsoever, you will see yourself living. Abanye they prosper, abanye because they are able to say ithonga lakhe let go. You are not part of this. Wena ijeni yakho inkulu kunale abak expect ukuthi uyiyo. You know, so you are not going to be.
Wow, I just love that. I hope you are enjoying this conversation between me and Ugogo Ushila, my Manchis. This is Manchis and Thoughts. And of course, guys, don't forget to go and get yourself a craft ginger beer at your nearest Pick and Pay, Bar, and a fresh stop garage. It's a garage, yeah, but yeah. And darlings, I'll be giving away money. I'm going to give away 1,000 rand, but I'll tell you how you're gonna win that 1,000 rand. We are celebrating 6 years of Manchis and Thoughts.
Yeah.
And why not? Let's give them money. For 6 weeks, I'll be giving away 1,000, like 1,000 cash. So anyway, you know, you spoke about ukuthi umntwana bekakhuliswa umndeni.
Yeah, I mean
community.
Yes.
And angeke ukuthi umntwana egula ekhaya kube ngekho bese kwenzakala ukuthi abekho abamsizayo. I've got a chapter on my book. The community destroyed me. There's a saying
it takes a village to raise a child.
Yes, but unfortunately I was destroyed by the village. But anyway, it's here on my book. It's Trend the Trend, and we deliver via Pepexi. And thank you so much to each and every one of you who already purchased this book. It's beautiful and it's doing very well. And I can't wait to give you guys my second offering soon. So, thank you so much anyway for inviting me into your space. Ngisendumbeni namhlanje my Manchis, and ngijabule kakhulu. Ngiyabona la gogo kuhle kakhulu. Ngiyabona nang nomunye umela eduze kwami nabanye, like maybe if you can give me a little bit all these beautiful crafts here, if you're allowed.
Yes.
If you're not allowed, I will respect that as well.
Okay. I think how it started, I thought it was just a dream. It started ngisekhaya. I think mengisekhaya mina ngiyahlupha ngiyasithanda isintu ngoba ngikhule ekhaya ngiyagaya utshwala mina nginankinga yotshwala. Ngikhaya ekhaya ngaya amabele kule family nje strict ngalendlela yokuthi isintu yisoqala okwaziyo ukushiya lapha egate. So ekhaya bokukhona umabhele simbiza umabhele ukhona ngale umabhele ngithi ngumbhele so bokukhona umabhele bengikhula ngiyayithanda lento umabhele angazi simbiza kanjalo ngoba usekhaya ukuthi umabhele yabona kwase mhlambe kwase kuyangena kimi kuyangena and kwase kusuka ukuthi ngumuntu okwazi ukusebenzisa izandla zakhe sengiyakha nami noma ngeindwangu ukuthi ngiyafisa ukuthi ngelinye ilanga uma ngikhula ngizoba neyami museum. I wanted my own museum but ngihlusha ukuthi yabona ekhaya ngenkathi sikhula thina bokuyilesikhathi ukuthi abelungu bayabophana kunezinto ezingamelanga kube sekhaya nani kunenkulumo ezikhulumayo kumele sizifihle mokufika labelungu njalo ngoba la gaya utshwala kuthengisa utshwala kusho ukuthi so kumele kufihleke nani kwezinye izinto la kufihlwa khona kubekwe kuhlobisiwe kuhle kanti la ngaphansi kunomgodi otshwala. You know, so as mhlambe ngikhula I had that edge noma sengikhula ukuthi ngiyayifuna ukuba nayo le museum or library but that will bring Africa in the space la south because this is part of Africa. So itongoke I think we are able to project, we are able nathi to create umqondo will create indawo ukuthi uma ngingathola ukusuka lephezulu eKemet Egypt ukwehlela ezansi if I could go there, you know, not now going in spirit. I want these things physical ukuthi zibe khona, you know. Then I became a self-taught art creator of Africa. Then when I would go anywhere, whether I would go to Durban, one, I will not leave a stone behind. Ukuthi ngihambe ngayila.
I get it.
Then I would go a market to say I would need also something that is crafted here. Market kunale engifisa and I would be able to bargain nabantu abathengisayo. You know, even whether I would go to any countries that I went. But ezinye, you know, I will wake up to say kunale ejeti iya online and there's a thing a page in elithize go there uyofika uyithole. Then mengithola nginegotiate price then banginike. Then I started collecting more of African art in spirituality and to understand because it was said singcolile ubumnyama. These are demonic things. I think ukuthi demystify ukuthi ayikho into njengalezo but learn more because Africa isukile la not knowing ukuthi ngelinye ilanga umkhulu muthi uzothi kimi you are not limited only in South Africa, you need to travel your land in Africa and reconnect with the spirits of Africa.
Wow. Yes, ifana nani mina nami as someone who cooks wherever I go kumele ngifike ngidle ukudla kwalapho ngitaste and ke mase ngifike lapho ke engihlala khona ngizobe sengiyakupheka but ke sengifaka nokwamphela ngiyazi ukuthi we are creative so ngizobe sengifaka nokwamphela but I make sure when I visit a place I need to eat, I need to enjoy ukudla kwalapho until I leave whatever place la ngisuke khona. But anyway, thank you so much. Ngiyamuzwa umkhulu amakathi mama wesizwe. Yazi ngikuzwile uma ukhuluma ngokuthi amanzi it's a feminine spirit osithola lapha yana and what but ke angikho lapho ngila umkhulu makazothi mama wesizwe kuwe and ukhulumile futhi umkhulu ngeprosperity silence voices and usicelele emadlozini. So now I'm asking myself ukuthi kahle umuntu wesifazane unamandla amakhulu aphiwe wona. But now ngifuna ukubuza wena ke uma kathi mama wesizwe kufikeni kuwena?
I think you see sometimes you look at your age and you say age wise 10 years ago engangimncane futhi uthi ngumama wesizwe where do I start with this? Akusikude uthe ngiyindlovukazi. Indlovukazi it's something big and when you go online on how he was praising mina on that day in the audio something said go online, you'll also find a poem that prays it's similarly on what he's saying to you. And I find that okay, uthi ngindlovukazi, being indlovukazi, it means ubukhulu, you are a queen.
Yes.
And
Yes.
being a queen, uyinzala yabantu, you know, and I'm hoping all queens would do babe yinzala yabantu. However, he brings it back to say there is no weapon that can protect abantwana be Africa, more especially your children. You need to rise and shout to our ancestors, cry to them so that they protect. You know, Africa. There are a lot of things ezenzakele that we have not acknowledged. Ezenzakalayo ezinye zenziwa yithi today. But ezenzakalile as Africans before 1994, I think 400 or 500 years back, that we haven't dealt with. So as umama wesizwe uthi lead your children into a development, you know. And now uyacabanga ukuthi, hey, how would I live? I don't even own a shop. I don't even, what development I show you. I think game kwangitshela ukuthi in the positions lezi sizithola kuzo, you know, physically now being elected in different positions, you then be able to use that space in a constructive, you know, in a developmental way, ukuthi ukhone nawe izwi lakho li change weather policies and so forth, where you can create imisebenzi or lead abantu babonise what kind of life they may live. Now, in the ancestral space, I have been one of those mama that repatriate spirits zabantwana be Africa, be South Africa, outside the land and in the land, abababuyisa back and cleanse and let bagezeke babuyele emakhaya. But also as a mother, you also think ukuthi uma ngihlangana nomntwana esitrateni, this would be my child. And I'm put in a space ukuthi as a mother, a protector and a nurturer, kumele nami ukuthi uma ngihlele ngicabange ukuthi kuyini okumele ngikwenze, ngihlanganyele nabanye omama nabo baba, of course, because he's not putting you ukuthi nina bo mama yini nodwa. You can't do that. You also have or abantwana go baba. How do you deal with the issues as umama? What is it that you need to cry? We are realize ukuthi amafamily amaningi ayahlupheka la ngendlela okungafanelanga ukuthi ahlupheke. Abantwana abaningi bayahlupheka either, you know, as I say, I'm in the space of Isanek. Isanek, you'll find LGBTQI, which I would have to protect such sectors and many sectors, vulnerable communities and so forth as a mother. You know, now ikbeka ukuthi ngimncane ngimdala, you know. But now sitting alone, because abo mama, they are different. What kind of a mother are you? So I think what resonates with me is the spiritual part of a mother that I am, which I'm not afraid. Which umuntu mebathi nangu alona ngeke simazi ngithi asimthatheni simbuye na ekhaya as a mother, sizombeka simgeze with others until albone ekhaya hamba ayofinyelela la yakhona.
Wow. Looking back now, Gogo, Gigzwile, you are doing a lot and you are amazing. Now, listening to the video, umkhulu umuthwa uyasho ukuthi unento oyithunyelwe. So now, yonke lemisebenzi oyenzile, bonke lobuhlo benzile, uma ngikhuluma lamagama lawa ashiwo umkhulu ongasekho emhlabeni kuthini kwena?
Hey mkhulu, angifuna ukwala. It for the past 10 years, not that I wanted to know ukuthi yini engithunyelwe usomnganiso ukhokho kakhokho. You know, one thing that came out in the time sihlangana, I was coming ngangithunywe kwafika nje ukuthi hamba ogogo bathi hamba uye entabeni, because we have a belief also that the feminine energy zise entabeni because intaba umsamo, you know, and kwafika ukuthi nje hamba uyobheka imisamo, but imisamo kuyintaba and ubuke ukuthi njani ukuthi ngendlela kumoshakele ngakhona. Then that was a dream, but I made a quest that I'd go around, which I did. I went around, then Mrs. Hlangana naye sesikhuluma I've already coming from Intaba enye besempumalanga. That was my last stop kuntaba lesempumalanga as early as about 2011 when this dream happened ukuthi ahambe intabeni ubheke ini nani nani. So I was drawn to Intaba, which at the moment I didn't know ukuthi power ekhona engaka kuyintaba zethu no khokho into babayiphila. So as we spoke, then he reveals then ukuthi he may yena be isanusi ngendlela bekayiso. However, your turn now, you know, in the space okuso. When use Free State, when I was in Free State, I saw goats in actual fact in Tabeni and so forth and so. But it was like passing, and I'm asking Labeng Hamba, did you see? But no, I saw something, you know, but no asponanga next. And I asked them, but it's what I saw. They did not see. So I think in the discussion there's importance yokuthi kumele sigeze, kumele siqole, kumele sibhodle, kumele sitshele amathongo ukuthi sesikhululekile asisekho encindezweni, sibatshele ukuthi umhlaba wukho ezandleni zethu, sibatshele okuningi okumele sibenze, sibuyisane singabantu, silimise silidumise not only South Africa, Africa. Then we discuss on the process and procedures on where and how this needs to happen. Sibonisana from the lengibonile ngabo 2011, 2016 he brings it in nayo forming part of the discussion ekhona. So ukuthi mhlambe you are in a space ukuthi you need to shout to the ancestors, you need to do it cleansing. And what I did umengibuya kule ntaba leyo from 2011 was to say, when ngingena ngibona ledwala langitshela idwala abantu bawo they will think ukuthi hayi gogo you are mad manje, idwala liyakhuluma, amadwala ayakhuluma mkhulu. So they've said wrong thing but identifier ngokuthi it's a stone man, that's where rituals were used to be performed. Loyo wayesambisa ngamatho. But when I looked that way, I heard a voice ethi angisi umuntu leyishoyo, mina ngumama, ngibuke ungibukisise. Then I turned back, ngangihamba nogobela wami, and I turned back, I said, okay, when I looked at ngaleso sikhathi ngabona ukuthi ngibona ubulili buka mama, I'm looking at isitho sika mama, you know, and I went and ngabuka lo futhi ngathi, but the stone, the rock is not saying what you're saying. It says it's a female and it should be regarded as such. So ngibuye ngimbheka athi ngiyadinga ukusuka la, akusulanga la ngikhona, bangihluthile la ngikhona, ngihambile bangilahla ngaphandle ngazibuyela mina njengoba ngihlelile. So nginokufisa ukubuyela la ngimele ngibuyele khona. So I've ledwala emini libalele nje mkhulu ukuthi bengiphupha ngilalele nje ngimamele ukuthi lithini. Remember ukuthi you can hear with your mind spirit. You are open to a spirit, as a spirit. Uma ukuthi uyihanensile uyakwazi you are that person okuza ukuthi mengihleli ngizwe inyoni ithi ngikutshele kanje, that the inyoni ithi ngikutshele kanje nakanje nakanje. That's how I live. Mina inyoni ziyasho ukuthi imtshele lokuthi kanje nani nani. So I then ensured ukuthi if kuyicala ngiyaxolisa ethongeni, ngiyaxolisana kumveli ncane ukuthi I then open up emphakathini ukuthi kunendawo eso enje nenje iAdam's calendar. At the time it was called like Adam's calendar, and inelitshe elinje nelinje, and this is what I saw, because this is not the only place that we saw, but we went up. I'm just on this one, but with the intention yokuthi ugogo kumele asuke atlinzwe and go back where bamsuse khona. And then time later umkhulu Rose naye wavela. I've never seen idwala leli, but umkhulu came up with ngisalelani mina uma ugogo ezobuya.
Mawuqeda ukuthi le dwala likhuluma nawe elikutshela ukuthi cha akusiyo lento le ayishoyo inje nomkhulu naye wavela
after isikhathi. And because I thought this is the only one. So mesiya lapha where umkhulu was showing ukuthi ubuya kuphi kunesihlahla, then but how then I started understanding circle layer as it is, as a watch. To me, it's a watch more than a calendar. It's just on how ilanga moves at what time, at a particular time. Kuningi nje ngeke mhlambe
Wow.
ngixoxele kona.
You know what's nice? We will do. How far are we to Kanye? 1 hour. Anyway, we're gonna close because we need to come back. We still have a lot to talk about, but I'll tell you when we start that session with you. My munchies, I hope you are enjoying this conversation with Ugogo Ushila. I just love you. You are so beautiful. And guys, umentionile ukuthi kumele sigeze. I think siyade kugeza sonke.
Wonke umuntu. Wonke. Igazi kuningi babulele sabanyathela. Sadlula, and we normalized ukungakhali, more especially bafaneni. We've normalized inhlupheko. We've normalized ukuthi sibuye encindezweni. Uma unencindezweni uyageza phela. You reclaim who you are. As long as you are not going to do that, uzohlala usencindezweni. There are things okumele to do away with. Kuzinezinto okumele ukuthi sizivuse ukuthi kwakunje ngalesa sikhathi, which were not harmful. Those that are harmful, we don't need them at the moment.
Wow, kumele sixole.
Kumele siphuze amanzi sibhodle. Si accept ukuthi some things happened kubantu which were not supposed to happen. Umuntu ubunkulunkulu, umuntu ubukhulu. Every being is a god or ubu goddess bakhe. Akekho umuntu umuntana nje. Ayikho, you can't even say umuntu kumele ahlukunyezwe nani. Kwakungelula uthola umuntu eshayiwe ephakamisela isandla ekhishwa igazi. Wayegezwa ngenkomo noma ngembuzi ukuthi usuwenze kabi ngoba lo omtatshile uhamba nabakubo. So kumele sibhodle siphuzisane amanzi, siyeke ukudiscriminateana, ukubona ukuthi mina ngingcono kunalo, lo mina ngibetter. It's not part of us. It's not part of being, not only as Africans, because abantu bafunda kithi ubuntu buyithi. You understand that? Ubuntu yithi esifundisa umhlaba ukuthi umuntu unjani nguwe because uyimi. So how can I hate you? Because when I hate you, I'm hating myself.
Wow. You know what, ne? Let's give my man just some money. You can open yours and be careful. Oh, yeah, be careful, yeah. You know, yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, right.
Isaya, I say boldly. Say boldly.
But anyway, guys, I'm about to give you guys a 1,000 rand. Today's Tuesday, of course, and I will be giving that money on Sunday. So all you need to do is to go to your nearest Pick n Pay, a Spar, Fresh Stop shop in one of the garages, buy yourself a craft ginger beer. And you know what they need to do? Just 10 to 15 second video with your ginger beer. Be creative.
How?
And the best man uzowina 1,000 rand. Of course, from Chef Patanani Mbata, any Manchester and thought.
Bayakwazi ukwenza. We are very much creative.
Darling.
Siyayazi khamera.
And 1,000 rand. Sizoyimnika nje umuntu.
Mkhulu ngathi bangayithola, ngiyajabula nje ukuthi at least kuyoba nomndeni okwazi ukuthola ukudla nje ngokuziphuzela iginger beer yakhe nokubonisa ukuthi ngiphuza kanjani.
Yes.
Just be creative.
Yes. And just be creative. Go to the shops, Pick n Pay, Spar, buy. We've got 2 liters. You've got this one 500, and you also got 1 liter. So guys, run. Buy. And make sure you keep your sleep, because if you win, I'll need that sleep.
Yeah.
So today is Tuesday. On Sunday, we will select the winner. So when you see this video, it will be out on Facebook, this clip. So under this video, that's where you will post your 10 to 15 second video. Hashtag craft ginger beer. Oh, mine is not doing well. Oh my gosh, mine is not doing well. But anyway, beautiful gogo.
Ubesivulile nje mkhulu isabani.
By champagne. Anyway, gogo.
Champagne ebogogo. If it's of course,
let me give you your word of wisdom. We are closing the show now. Your word of wisdom that you want to leave with my managers. Anything you want to tell them. The
Thokoza.
camera is yours.
Mkhulu akube kuhle kubalaleli. What I could leave is to say, don't succumb to what people want you to be. You came here alone, uze uwedwa, you've got your gift that you've been given. Don't allow people to drag that gift ukuthi awunayo. You have it. It is in you. Be proud to have that, but don't be egoistic. Work with the spirits onazo nawe ngokwakho and embrace it. It may not be easy because of spaces phila kuso, but what you have been given, it is a gift that comes from the Most High, our Creator, ukuthi uyilethe la emhlabeni. Don't allow anyone to standardize it. Don't allow anyone, it doesn't exist because it did not exist kuye. But kuwe it does. Nasemathongeni nalaba bakuthumile. Siyazi kuba umngoma ukuthi mowala kuba yini. Uma unesipho bakuphile ukuthi uma usala kuba yini. Ngaso leso sipho sakho mhlambe indlela ozengayo ukuthi kumele uzophilisa abanye, not only you. You are not here for yourself. You are not here for a vacation emhlabeni. You are here on a mission, and use that space ngendlela okumele usebenzise ngakhona. When you do not know, ask imvelo. Ask where you come from. They're listening. They are here with you. Ungangithembi. Ungamthembi omunye umuntu. It could be whoever, but ithemba wena ngoba nesithunzi sakho singakulahla. You know, but you need to believe in yourself and ensure ukuthi konke okwenzayo it's authentic. You are not taking what does not belong to you. You take exactly what you have been given. You may not understand it, not knowing how to interpret it, as much as small. Noma kuthiwa ayikazi yaba khona le kodwa ikhona, meaning ize ngawe. Sometimes enye indlela ikusindlela ehanjwa abanye uwe okumele uqale leyo ndlela. Uyivula abanye bazoyilandela. Sazi ukuthi siyibuza kuwe. So don't stay back ucabanga ukuthi hey mina kodwa akukho lutho, angeke anginamali. Sometimes okunya kudinga imali, kudinga ngaphakathi lakho. Ungabi too angry, too sad, or too ngizothini uzilahlekele wena. Whatever name whoever in it ngiyaphila ngisemhlabeni lo abangilethe kuwo, and I'm going to do best, and the best is what I could do ngendlela engibona ngakho.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much. That was beautiful. Ezinye izinto zidinga ingaphakathi lakho. Enye indlela kumele ihanjwe nguwe kuze laba bangemva kwakho bazobonela kuwe. On that note, it's a wrap and Ginger Bia darlings. Bye bye.
Thank you
so much.
Thank you.